Hello sa inyo. Ako nga pala si Macdenberg at Bonton, BSIT 2 CBPO. History of Internet. Gusto ba malaman kung anong meron dito? Tara, makinig ka. What is the Internet? Pag sinabing Internet, the wider network that allows computer networks around the world run by companies, governments, universities, and other organizations to talk to one another. The result is a mass of cables, computers, data centers, routers, servers, repeaters, satellites, and Wi-Fi towers that allows digital information to travel around the world. Ang sabi dito, ang internet daw ang bibigay daan sa mga computer network sa buong mundo para makapag-usap o makipag-communicate tayo sa isa't isa. Next is, what do we use the internet for? First, research. Lalo na't estudyante pa tayo. Dito tayo kumukuha ng mga impormasyon. Next is download files. Next is discussion. Dito rin tayo madalas ngayon mag-discuss dahil online class pa ngayon. Next is education and self-improvement. Next is interactive games. Kapag naglalaro tayo, internet din ang kailangan natin. Lalo na't may pag-communicate tayo sa ating mga kasama o kalaban. Next is job hunting. Pwede rin dito mag-apply. Next is friendship and dating. Marami rin tayong nakikilala ditong kaibigan at mga nagiging kasintahan. Next is shopping. Lalo na at merong Shopee at Lazada na ngayon at marami pang mga online shopping na pwedeng pag-orderan ng mga gamit o kung ano man. Dito naman tayo sa Internet in the 1950s. The origins of the Internet are rooted in the USA of the 1950s. The US realized it needed a communication system that could not be affected by a Soviet nuclear attack. At this time, computers were large, expensive machines exclusively used by military scientists and university staff. Ang sabi dito, nagsimula ang internet sa USA o United States of America noong 1950. Sa mga panahon na yon, ang mga computer ay malalaki at mamahaling machines. Continuation. To build and interconnect computer networks that arose from research and development in the United States and involve international collaboration, particularly with researchers in the United Kingdom and France. Next is Internet in the 1960s. The first workable prototype of the Internet came in the late 1960s with the creation of ARPANET, or the Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. Originally funded by the U.S. Department of Defense, ARPANET used packet switching to allow multiple computers to communicate on a single network. Ang sabi dito ay unang ginawang prototype ay ARPANET para payagan ng maraming computer na makipag-usap sa isang solong network. Continuation. On October 29, 1969, ARPANET delivered its first message, a node-to-node communication from one computer to another. The message login was short and simple, but it crashed the fledgling ARPA network anyway. The Stanford computer only received the node's first two letters. Internet in the 1970s. In 1973, Robert Kahn and Vinton Cerf collaborate to develop a protocol for linking multiple networks together. The latter becomes the Transmission Control Protocol or TCP and Internet Protocol or IP, a technology that links multiple networks together such that if one network is brought down, the others do not collapse. Continuation. While working at Xerox, Robert Metcalfe develops a system using cables that allows for transfer or more data over a network. He names this system Alto Aloha, but it later becomes known as Ethernet. Over the next few years, Ted Nelson proposes using hypertext to organize network information, and Unix becomes popular for TCP or IP networks. Tom Truscott and Steve Belluvin developed a Unix-based system for transferring data over phone lines via a dial-up connection. This system becomes Usenet. Ang sabi dito is, Si Robert Metcalfe ay bumuo ng isang system na gumagamit ng mga cable na nagbibigay daan sa paglipat ng maraming data sa isang network na tinawag niyang Alto Aloha pero nakilala bilang Ethernet. At ito namang si Tom at si Steve ay bumuo ng isang sistema na naglilipat ng mga data sa linya ng telepono sa pamamagitan ng isang koneksyon sa pagdial at tinawag itong Usenet. Continuation. In September 1973, the two give their first paper on the new Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, at an INWG meeting at the University of Sussex in England. Bob Kahn at ARPA and Vint Cerf at Stanford University published research in 1974 that evolved into the Transmission Control Protocol or TCP and Internet Protocol or IP, the two protocols of Internet Protocol suite. Next is the Internet in the 1980s. In 1981, Metcalfe's company Tricom announces Ethernet products for both computer workstations and personal computers. This allows for the establishment of local area networks or LANs. Paul Moka-Petris and John Postel and Craig Partridge create the domain name system, which uses domain names to manage the increasing number of users on the internet. In 1985, the first domain is registered, symbolics.com, a domain belonging to a computer manufacturer. Si Paul, John at Craig ay lumikha ng isang sistema na ang pangalan ay domain upang pamahalaan ang maraming bilang na gumagamit ng internet. Noong taong 1985 naman, mayroong domain na kabilang sa tagagawa ng computer. At ang panghuli, Internet in the 1990s. In 1990, ARPANET is decommissioned. Tim Berners-Lee and his colleagues at CERN developed Hypertext Markup Language or HTML and the Uniform Resource Locator or the URL, giving birth to the first incarnation of the World Wide Web or the WWW. A watershed year for the internet comes in 1995. Microsoft launches Windows 95, Amazon, Yahoo, and eBay all launch. Internet Explorer launches and Java is created, allowing for animation on websites and creating a new flurry of internet activity. Next is in 1996, Congress passes the Communications Decency Act in an effort to combat the growing amount of objectionable material on the internet. John Perry Barlow responds with an essay, A Declaration of the Independence of Cyberspace. Google is founded in 1998. Ang sabi dito ay, taong 1990, natanggal na o naalis na ang ARPANET. At saka sila bumuo ng HTML at URL. At ang Google ay itinatag noong taong 1998. Continuation. In 1996, the music and video piracy controversy intensifies with the launch of Napster. The first internet virus capable of copying and sending itself to a user's address book is discovered in 1999. Ang sabi dito ay nagkaroon na ng isang virus na natuklasan lang noong taong 1999. Continuation. The growing power of the internet, the scrutiny of an ever more powerful press, the rise of entertainment culture in politics, and the advance of technology in collecting DNA evidence all came together in 1998. Clinton's affair struck us at just the moment when technology, science, the press, and popular culture met. Rumors of the Lewinsky affair first surfaced on the Drudge Report. At that time, an insignificant politics blog. Ang sabi dyan na hindi pa mahalaga ang blog sa politika noon. Salamat sa pakikinig and keep safe every day.